The U.S.-Mexico border wall is meant to enhance national security by deterring unlawful human crossings and illegal activity, but animal conservationists say this barrier is impacting wildlife. Take a look at this remarkable video of a black bear coming face to face with a 30-foot steel border fence, pacing back and forth and failing to get through.
In the face of climate change, species are moving more, species are shifting northward, yet they're going to run into a wall that prevents them from moving.
Eamon Harity with Sky Island Alliance says over a 2-year period, they collected hundreds of hours of video data showing wildlife encounters across 100 miles along the border stretching from Arizona to New Mexico. They say their data shows wildlife were only able to successfully cross through a border wall 9% of the time, and they worry that limits their access to water.
Wildlife need to move to find their resources.
However, they found that areas with barriers to block traffic instead of a full wall allowed for successful crossings.
Roughly 65% of the animals we saw approaching vehicle barriers crossed.
Harity says these larger openings are critical for the survival of species in the Arizona Sonoran Desert.
Hundreds of miles of wall were built during the previous Trump administration. If they proceed with that same mentality, we are likely to see incredible destruction and incredible loss.
He says they'll continue to advocate for changes like these small wildlife openings that allow movement for smaller wildlife.
In these discussions with CBP, that if we are going to build more wall, we are going to see more wall. What are some really subtle adjustments we can make that allow for more wildlife movement?